Good morning, friends. I hope you are doing good. I remember in my last engagement, we end up with a lot of issues. That is because we followed the Scrum framework, which is one of the prominent framework in software development lifecycle today. However, team were not aware the actual roles and responsibility, the actual philosophy behind the Scrum framework, and so on. So there was a quite overlapping of the roles. There was a quite number of conflicts because the expectation changes within the teams, and of course that has created an impact in overall delivery of the product. Of course, eventually we upgraded and then we learned what is exactly the Scrum framework and how it helps. However, I'm pretty sure that a lot of teams have faced the similar situations the way we faced it. And hence today I am going to share briefly about what is Scrum framework and how it is going to help us, what are the different roles. Scrum is one of the software development framework powered or driven by agile mindset. The agile mindset which makes the team more productive. But in order to become productive, there is some set of rules, set of guidelines, there are certain roles, and there is a certain way of executing the project. And Scrum perfectly or precisely try to do the same thing. Yes, you heard right. Scrum precisely trying to make the team productive. Now, in order to do this, Scrum has come up with certain ceremonies, and there are three different roles which makes the team overall productive. Now let me start with the roles. The three roles that I was referring here is one, product owner, second, Scrum master, and third, development team. The product owner is overall responsibility from business perspective. He or she get the requirement from customers and pass to the development team, and with the help of Scrum master, development teams try to deliver the features or the requirement which product owner has given to us. So three roles: product owner, Scrum master, and development team. Product owner is overall responsibility from business requirement perspective. Scrum master is overall responsibility for execution of the projects in terms of the process, in terms of the project tracking, in terms of overall challenges while executing the project, and so on. Now development team, which is a cross-functional development team. When I say cross-functional, each member of the teams should be equally aware, at least high level, other things which is been developed by other team members. And that team, which is self-organized, self-capable, and scalable teams, we should able to deliver the product smoothly without any issues. And this is the expectation from three roles: one, development team, product owner, and business scrum master. And apart from this, there is no roles as far as the Scrum is concerned. Of course, there are some stakeholders involved overall, the architects, the offering managers, and so on, who also create certain influence for the overall execution or overall delivery of the product. Now certain ceremonies are there. I'll just try to put few ceremonies as the time will take longer time. So sprint planning, where the Scrum master and development teams and the product owner will sit together, discuss the product backlogs or feature backlog, whatever you name it, and prioritize it, analyze it, and come back with certain features that can be delivered in a certain sprint. Sprint is nothing but certain duration, either it's 2 weeks or 4 weeks. So the sprint planning meeting is essentially the prioritization of the backlog and planning and come back with certain features that can be delivered during a sprint or during a certain periods. And then Scrum daily meetings, where Scrum team will discuss 3 points: what he has done earlier, is there any issues, and what he is going to do tomorrow. And of course, sprint review at the end of the sprint. Sprint review will be thoroughly analyzed in terms of any challenges, where it wrong, is there any demo that can be driven, and so on. And of course, there will be retrospection as well. So one of the ceremonies where team will thoroughly discuss what went wrong, where should I improve, what are the things that we have done good, what are the things that we have done bad. So these are the 4 or 5 prominent ceremonies: sprint planning, sprint review, daily scrum meeting, product backlog refinement meeting, or planning meeting, and so on. So overall, the Scrum framework is designed, powered by agile mindset, to deliver the product in more efficient and effective manner. So let us understand the Scrum framework more and try to implement in our project and make the overall software development lifecycle more better and efficient. With this note, this is Nirpa Chetri. Will come back and connect with again with next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.